Now, where we're going to concentrate now is trying to provide the homeowners some adequate storage. They have a lot of boxes they're planning on bringing out to the garage, but we also want to save the space in the middle of the garage for a vehicle to park if they decide to do so. Now, what we'll be doing is constructing a wide shelf running all the way down this wall, all the way down the other wall, which will give us a total of 18 foot of shelving on each side of the garage. 36 foot of shelving, that should take care of a lot of storage. Now, of course, when you're choosing to build storage like this, there's several things to keep in mind. First of all, you want to get it high enough where you're not bumping your head on it. You want to get it low enough to accommodate whatever you're deciding to put on the shelf itself, and more than anything, it's got to be sturdy. You've got to figure if the plywood gussets work for our bench, they should also do the job here. We don't need the 2x4 horizontal pieces here because we aren't adding a front band like we did on the bench. Just level and attach the gussets to the studs. Then cut the shelf board to length and screw it in place. As a rule of thumb for this composite shelving, you don't want to span more than, say, 3 or 4 feet between supports, even less if the shelf will carry a heavy load. Now, this shelving certainly should help the homeowners a lot in being able to get boxes up off the ground and be able to see everything.